This is BOSCH Serial 4 649, 260-liter capacity, frost free. Yes, energy rating is D. Go greener. Let's see what it looks like. This is beautiful, very tall BOSCH flex interior, NoFrost. Bring the unit out and slide it back in. This is beautiful. BOSCH Serial 4. BOSCH Serial 4, and energy rating is D. NoFrost. This out. $649. This is silver color. Got 2-year standard warranty with this one. Reduce food waste. This model has special tech that help keeps your fruit and veg fresher for longer. Restocking after a big shop. Use fast chill or freeze, and everything will be cooled down in no time. And 2030 millimeter, and the bottom one is 600 millimeter. Another edge is 665. Okay, this gear deserves your attention.